Hi there guys.
Hi guys, welcome to our channel,
Silver Fanatic. Okay guys, today's video guys, it's a review. Yeah guys, a review of our first purchase for 2021 guys. Yes guys, it's our first purchase guys, first stickers guys, everything first for 2021. I think 2021 is something good in store for us guys.
Yes, that's true.
Yes guys, this is a royal coat of arms guys. Okay, 2020 guys, it's a royal coat of arms. Okay, all right guys.
Fine.
Yes, it's a 39 fines guys. Okay, the fourth 9 is that
design,
the artwork. As we all know guys, fourth 9 is the artwork guys.
As you can see,
as you can see how beautiful it is. Let me just tilt it just so we see all angles. Okay guys, with the queen at the back guys. All right,
the face value of £2.
Yes guys, £2 guys, the face value guys.
Yes.
Okay, all right.
Next one,
the next one guys, our favorite.
Yes,
very nice preview guys. Okay, I think this is our first preview.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
Oh, we
get
we
have those Africans, those Krugerrands guys. Yeah. All right. We forget them sometimes. Okay. Oh, it's an Australian Kookaburra guys. Yes. This one is a straight 4/9 guys.
Beautiful. You won't be disappointed.
You
will not, the Australian.
You will not be disappointed guys. Straight 4/9. Straight 4/9. Straight 4/9 guys. With the queen at the back guys. With the queen, $1 face value guys.
Yeah.
All right. Okay. Nice, very looking coin guys. Into 2019 guys. It's a beautiful coin.
Yes.
All right.
Okay. This is our review for 2021.
Yes guys, and then as we mentioned, a tube guys, a gold tube guys, a gold 110 tube guys. We made a purchase guys. Okay, let's just open it and let's see what we have. What type of a tube did we receive? Because I think we bought this from Amazon.
Yes, Amazon.
Yeah, we bought this
we couldn't find them anywhere.
Yes, we couldn't find it anywhere guys. So we bought this from Amazon guys.
Yes.
Okay. All right, I think this is it guys. I'll just put it there for now. Okay, this is the one.
Yes, beautiful.
They are really nice. It's a beautiful guys. Okay, let me just take it off the packet guys.
Yes.
All right, let me just open it. Because I think it goes with the capsules as well.
Yeah,
that's how they had it advertised. So I don't see any capsules here on this one. Okay, but this is the tube guys. Okay, this is the tube that we'll be working on, the 1/10, as we mentioned that we're working on the 1/10 gold coin guys. Okay, all right guys, 110 gold coins guys. So this is the tube.
You're gonna start it.
We'll start it pretty soon guys. Okay, they mentioned that this comes with the capsules, but I don't see any capsules. Let me just double check guys. Maybe there's somewhere.
Let's check what is in there.
Yes, let's just quickly check guys. Okay, they are here guys, as they promised. Okay,
so
they
many.
are here.
20,
yes.
I think they say that comes with 20.
Yeah, I think they said that it comes with 20 guys. Okay, they are here guys. Okay,
so we're gonna put it and then
we'll just put it into okay. All right, yes, they are all here guys. Okay, it says it is the way that they advertised it guys. Okay, there is it guys. Okay, all right, now let's just try and put one in and take it out of that ugly revealing capsule guys. Okay, all right, let's just see how it feels, how it looks. No, I didn't drop it. Wow, what a nice coin, guys. Beautiful coin, guys. Okay.
Oh, it fits perfectly.
I think it fits. It's a perfect fit, guys. Okay. This is the capsule that we want. This is the capsule that we wanted all along, not those big, ugly, revealing capsules, guys. Okay. We'll just quickly put them.
Yes.
Okay, this one already came in this beautiful, nice capsule, guys.
Yes.
As we all know, we've seen it,
our
guys.
First one.
This was our first 110 gold coin, guys. It already came in that beautiful, nice looking capsule, guys. Not those big ones. Yes, guys. Okay. All right. We'll just quickly put them in.
You don't want to waste time.
Yeah, without wasting any time. These are very nice. I really like these ones.
Beautiful.
They are really beautiful, guys. It's when we bought them, we never expected that they are going to be this beautiful, guys. To be exactly the same as that one. Yes, guys. So now our tube will be
beautiful.
Will be the way we want it to be, guys. Okay. All right. Okay. I think so far we'll have 6 110, guys.
Yes.
Okay. 6 110 gold, guys. Okay. Let's just
see how far.
Okay. All right. We needed to use some muscles there. Okay. Yeah. All right. Let's just put them in.
Perfect fit.
A perfect fit, guys. Just the way we wanted it, guys.
Yeah.
We wanted it to be exactly
like this,
guys. This is
beautiful,
how we wanted
presented.
it. Hey, it's presented beautifully, guys. Okay. There, the 110 inside, guys. Okay. All right. View, very beautiful, guys. Now we have a tube for gold. Oh yes.
Yes.
We now have a tube for gold. We've started a tube for gold, guys, because last day we've mentioned that we wanna start a tube for gold. Yes. We wanna start a tube for gold, guys.
And our strategy is still the same.
Yes, it's still the same, guys. It's still the same. Hasn't changed as we mentioned, guys. That will be our strategy. We'll be sticking to it.
Yes.
I think it's a perfect strategy for us, guys.
Yes.
Okay, just a reminder: 1 full tube, 2 gold 110s, guys. That's a strategy, guys. So
add on this
also keep this tube going, guys. This 110 tube going, guys, as well, guys. Okay.
That's true.
All right, guys.
Thank you for subscribing, for liking our videos, commenting. It helps us a lot.
Yes, it does help us a lot, guys.
We really missed it when we were away.
Hey, we really missed everything. The community, guys. We were really so sad. We couldn't access anything where we were, guys. Okay.
Yeah.
We couldn't do absolutely anything. A lot of catching up needs to be done. Yeah, we're just on a shutdown. Okay.
Yes.
All right, guys. I'd like to thank our subscribers, guys, and the community, guys. You've been so great. We would like to say thank you.
On?
Yes, the giveaway is still on, guys. Okay. Go see our giveaway video, or we go leave a link on our giveaway video on the description below.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.